Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to enable WhatsApp icon in your Android phone dial Infinix. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to your dial. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on WhatsApp enhancement. By the time you go back to your dial, then you have your WhatsApp icon right here. So you can simply tap on this, and when you have a number that can be easily messaged on WhatsApp, you can simply, and you have your WhatsApp icon right here. Now with this, you can simply and easily detect any number that have a WhatsApp messages on your phone with that. What you need to do is to simply click on here, and if a number is available on WhatsApp, you will easily get the number right there. You can message them without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.